What's going on, guys? I'm gonna do, all right, yeah. Well, so basically, quick, easy day trading strategy, right? It's called gap fills, right? Your gap happens when price action moves overnight. So say PG, right, moving up, close the day at 163.60. Overnight, price moved down, and we opened up at 161.70 and fell all the way to 169, right? I mean 159. So what happens is you create this gap from 161.80 to 163, and what that gap means is it's a price void, right? Price action is thin. As you can see here, you have this prior all-time high, but I'm just going to move that level up to that price gap entry here, right? So basically, as you can see, right, you break this, prior high once, you straight up, right, back down to the downside, straight down. So what do you think is going to happen when we break to the upside? Straight up, right? So we've identified our levels, our gap fill entry. Again, no price action till here and here, right? So basically, 1 hour, plot your levels, identify gap fill. Now let's hit this 15-minute, right? So this 161.80 is our entry, right? It dips down, rejects it, puts in a higher low, finally breaks out of that gap fill, right? Now what happens? Goes up, little retest here, rips right through your first price target on some good volume, almost hitting your second price target. Contracts, this is easy way to nab, 25 to 50% gains on day trades, right? Gap fill plays, right? Gap fill day trades. This is beautiful. 15-minute confirmation in your gap fill. Price action super thin equals quick moves, right? Make it easy, guys. So yeah, identify, your levels, your gap fill entries, even add some trend here. Be something like this. So this is a great spot to take profits if you're in day trade coming up on resistance and downtrend break, right? So another gap fill entry play would be J&J, right? As you can see, your gap here, gap down overnight, it fell from 171, opened at 170, so a little over a dollar gap down, right? Identified my levels, gap fill, some head height here, decent over here, a little price action here, and then the top there, right? So again, this is gap fill, right? We'll make this green so it's easier. Boom. So that's your gap fill entry, right? Now, how do I play? Wait for a 15-minute confirmation over. Ideally, you get some volume backing up, but it would be this candle here. You get your retest here, put in your new highs. Your gap fill, acts as a little resistance, as I mentioned, right here. Break it, and then you start hitting those hourly targets, right? TP1, TP2, and 3, right? Again, you enter at 170.50. You see an easy dollar move here. Again, weekly contracts. This is for day trading. Gap fills, right? Act as support and resistances, creating thin price volume nodes, right? Easy, quick gains. I hope you guys can learn and implement this into your strategies. All right, take it easy.